Hi, today I'm Samsung Galaxy A03 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first open the Play Store application and in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So after that, just tap to open the app, click yes, agree, click close and tap on the left down corner to OK. And now we'll see here information about our battery temperature. In my case, this is 31 degrees. Also we got here more and other information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, model of our device, Android version and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.